Hi, pretty girl. Hello. Oh, are you full after all that colostrum? And some more. Aw. Oh, and another one. We're watching babies be born. And we were just born. Look at you. You're so cute. How come you're so cute? Found you on the ground in the barn. Thought we were done with all the babies. Guess not. I think you're milk drunk now. Or colostrum drunk. Yeah. Yeah.